If you're not familiar with Froogle, it's an area of Google where you can do comparison shopping for products. Well, for example, I'm at the main Google page here, and let's search for Lexmark printer, for example. And of course, on the main Google page, you get general or normal results, normal search results. However, if you click on Froogle, you start getting prices for the product. And you can organize your search with prices, by price range, by brand, by seller rating. And okay, the page is a bit untidy here just because of the size of the screen I'm doing this recording in. However, as you can see, it lists products what it considers the most relevant, which link direct to the store, and it lists prices. So it's a great way to comparison shop. And if you have products you'd like listed in Froogle, it used to be, you used to have to create what was known as a product feed, and that was a file specifically set up in the way Google wanted, which had all the product details and prices and everything else, and then you had to submit that to Google. However, now Froogle is becoming more and more integrated with Google Base. So if you use Google Base and submit one item or items in bulk, then they're going to start appearing, if they're relevant, in Froogle. And actually, to see an example of this, if I go to base.google.com and let's search again for Lexmark printer. And again, we're getting prices and what it considers are the most relevant. As you can see, it's laid out slightly differently to Froogle, but basically the contents are the same, just presented it in a slightly different way. So to start adding listings to Google Base that then appear in Froogle as well, you can just post a single item or post items in bulk. And posting items in bulk, you have to create a special upload file. And that's, well, they've got to be in certain formats that Google accepts. And it's beyond the scope of this video to talk you through how to structure those files, because Google's help pages do that more than well. They detailed exactly how you should structure these upload files, exactly what information you can include. And it can be a little bit detailed setting up the files, but once that's done, then you can add hundreds, even thousands of products to the Google database in one go. And that can get you a lot of extra visitors and customers. But alternatively, if you just want to add one item, you can click on Post an Item and add an item manually. And let's say choose an existing item type. Let's say product. And let's see what it offers us now. Okay, when it decides to respond. Okay, we can offer a title and more details. Alternatively, if we go back, we can be even more specific. For example, vehicles. And then it again prompts us for more information. So you can use this way if you like to add single entries to the Google Base and Froogle database, or you can go the more complicated route, which Google covers in full detail, of creating bulk upload files and adding them to their databases. And whatever types of products you have, this can get a lot more free exposure from Google.